Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald. A brave knight with shiny blue armor and a very fluffy bunny rabbit named Cottontail, peeking out of his helmet, lived in a cozy round tower. One sunny morning, his friend Sparky the little dragon came to visit. Sparky had bright green scales and wings that shimmered like soap bubbles. Suddenly Sparky went, "Hiccup!" Out popped a tiny puff of sparkly rainbow smoke. "Hiccup!" Another rainbow puff floated into the air. Sparky's big purple eyes looked worried. "Oh dear," he mumbled. "My hiccups are making rainbows. It's so silly." Sir Reginald patted Sparky's head gently. Cottontail wiggled his nose from the helmet. "Silly? I think it's wonderful," said Sir Reginald. "Look!" He pointed to the rainbow puffs, drifting in the breeze. "They're like little bits of magic." "Hiccup!" Another rainbow appeared. Sir Reginald had an idea. "Sparky," he said, "what if we used your rainbow hiccups to make beautiful pictures in the sky?" Sparky tilted his head, his worries starting to fade. Sir Reginald pointed towards the wide blue sky. "Try making a swirl," he suggested. Sparky took a deep breath. "Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!" 3 rainbow puffs zoomed upwards and curled into a sparkling swirl. It looked like a giant candy cane made of light. "Hiccup!" Sparky made a wiggly rainbow line. "Hiccup! Hiccup!" He added 2 round rainbow circles. It looked like a funny rainbow caterpillar, floating in the sky. Sparky started to giggle. Making rainbow art was much more fun than being embarrassed. Sir Reginald and Cottontail clapped with joy as Sparky filled the sky with all sorts of colorful shapes. There were rainbow flowers, rainbow stars, and even a big rainbow portrait of Sir Reginald, with a tiny rainbow bunny on his helmet. Soon Sparky's hiccups went away. The sky was full of beautiful shimmering rainbow creations. Sparky smiled. "Thank you, Sir Reginald," he said. "You helped me see that even hiccups can be special." Sir Reginald smiled back. "Anything can be special if you use your imagination." Cottontail wiggled his nose happily. "Look closely at a real rainbow after it rains. Sunlight shines through tiny water droplets in the air, and the light bends, separating into all the colors you see in Sparky's rainbow puffs."
Please subscribe. Thank you.